why we use Shaper 3D to create NFT instead of Blender, a 3D or a 3ds Max. So why we chose Shaper 3D beforehand is because it was easy to learn. So if I say about Blender, right, that software gets pretty complex, and some of the beginners. So as I said in the previous, sessions, not all people are having that creative mindset. Some people have the logic mindset. So there is, left brain, right brain. One part of the brain is a creative mind. One part of the brain is logical mind, right? So, so when we start, right? So not all the people are comfortable with Blender. Hence, we started with Shaper 3D. Not every person is comfortable when they have a look at the Blender, and because it has a lot of functionality. I mean, I also like Blender. Uh, I also like Shaper 3D as well because it is the best for the starters, I can say. Blender, it will be introduced in our course, right? So you will be learning that as well. So currently Shaper 3D, why we chose it? Because it is easy to learn, and you can just directly sketch it and extrude it. It is not the same way in Blender. We can use plugins in Blender to make it act like same as Shaper 3D. But yeah, as Blender is open source, it has a lot of advantages. Whereas Shaper 3D is not currently open source, but because it is, the learning curve is less. So uh, any person can grasp it easily. Even that person is not attractive towards the creative stuff or a 3D modeling. Even that person will gradually have interest in learning 3D stuff after they do Shaper 3D. If you give them Blender, so it will be a little bit complex, right? As my perspective as well, when I opened Blender, when I opened Shaper 3D, side by side, like Shaper 3D looked more attractive to me because it is easy to learn, whereas Blender, it gave little, it will take a long learning curve because it's a little bit hard to learn. So that's why we chose Shaper 3D. All right. I hope your query was answered, right? Whereas Maya 3ds Max, so once you learn Shaper 3D, right, it can be a base of Blender. Once you know how to interact in the 3D space, how to create a 3D model, Blender will also be easy for you. After you learn Blender, 3ds Max or Autodesk Maya, those things will also be easy for you.